Hi children, today we will discuss question number 5 and question number 6. Okay. Now read the fifth question. Salil plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. What is given there in the question? How many saplings she want to plant? Number of saplings is equal to number of saplings is equal to 4. So Salil wants to plant 4 saplings in a row. Row means what? Like this way. Same line. First sapling here, second sapling, third sapling and fourth sapling. So she want to plant the 4 saplings in a row means just one line. Okay, and what is given there? The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4. So this distance from the first sapling to the second sapling, what is the distance? 3 by 4. Like the same way, the distance from second sapling to third sapling is what? 3 by 4 meter. Like the same way, from the third one to the fourth one is 3 by 4 meter. So the distance between two adjacent saplings, that means near, is 3 by 4. Now what we have to find out here? Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. We have to find the distance from here to here. Okay. So first you write the statements. First you write down the distance between two adjacent saplings. Two adjacent saplings is equal to 3 by 4 meter. Now listen children, what is given there in the question? She wants to plant 4 saplings in a row. And one more thing is given there, the distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4. Row means in a straight form she wants to plant. Two adjacent sapling distance means from the first one to second one. Like the same way, from second one to the third one, that distance is 3 by 4. And we have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. How will we find the answer? Distance between the first and the last sapling. Distance between the first and the last sapling. First and last sapling. Distance between the first and last sapling. That means we have to add this distance. Is it 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4? That is the meaning. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This means what? Repeated addition is known as what? Multiplication. So what you can write? 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, 3 into 3 by 4. So we have to find the distance between the first sapling and from the first sapling to the last sapling. What you have to find out here? We have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. So instead of doing this addition, you have to do multiplication. So 3 into 3 by 4, what is the answer? 9 by 4. It's an improper fraction and you do the division and find the mixed number. So what you will get? 2 1 by 4 meter, is it? So what is the meaning? The distance from the first sapling to the last sapling is what? 2 1 by 4 meter. Okay, the distance between the first and the last sapling is what? 2 1 by 4 meter. Is it clear children? What is given there in the question? She wants to plant 4 saplings and the distance between two adjacent saplings is given there. We have to find the distance from the first to the last. Okay. So each distance is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 means what? 3 into 3 by 4. Okay. So 3 into 3 by 4 is what? Product of numerators, product of denominators. If there is no denominator, denominator is, what is the denominator? 1. Or you can say multiply the numerator and write the denominator same. Fraction multiplication. Multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. Okay, so what answer you will get? 9 by 4. It's an improper fraction. So you do the division and find out the mixed number. Okay. Now move to the next question. Lipika reads a book for 1 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? What is given there in the question? Time taken by her for reading the book in 1 day, is it? What is given there? Time taken by her. Time taken by her to read the book. Book in 1 day, is it? In 1 day, how much time she is taking? She is taking 1 3/4 hour she is taking for reading the book in 1 day. 1 day she is taking 1 3/4 hour. How many days are there? Number of days. What is given there? Number of days is equal to 6. So we have to find what is the total time required by her to read the entire book in 6 days. 1 day she is taking 1 3/4 hour. So what about 6 days? So how will we find the total number of hours? Total number of hours required. Total number of hours required to read the book. To read the book. How will we find? To read the entire book. Entire book is equal to 1 day she is taking 1 3/4 hour. We have to find the total number of hours required by her to read the entire book in 6 days. So how will we find? 6 into 1 3/4. Okay. So it's a mixed number. You convert it into an improper fraction. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 7/4. So what is the answer? 42/4. Okay, so what is the answer we got? 42/4. So try to reduce this to lowest term. Divide by a common factor. Divide by 2. What you will get? 21/2. Okay, so convert it into improper mixed numbers. So what is the answer? 2, 0, bring down 1, then 0, 0, 1. So what is the answer we got here? 10, 1/2 hour. So what is the time taken by her to read the entire book in 6 days? 10, 1/2 hour. Okay children, what is given there in the question? What is given there? What is given there in the question? Time taken by her to read the book in 1 day. She is taking 1 3/4 hour for reading a particular book. And how many days are given there in the question? 6 days are given there. The question is how many hours in all were required by her to read the entire book. So how will we find? 1 day she is taking 1 3/4 hour. So how will we find 6 days? Multiply by 6. You will get the answer 42/4. Either you do that division or you just convert it into a simplest form and you do the division. Okay, divide by a common factor. What you will get? 21/2. Do the division and find out the mixed number. Okay children, 1 minus 0 is 1 and you will get the answer 10 1/2 hour. I hope this answer is clear for everyone. That's all for today. Have a nice day.